will. My name is Starr, and I'm going to teach some breathing exercises that you can use any time of the day. Anytime you feel a little nervous or a little anxious or a little tired, each breathing technique is for something different. Okay, so each one will help you in different scenarios. And I've been teaching this for, I think, maybe 10, 12 years. And a lot of people have find it helpful because you can do it anywhere. And it doesn't cost you anything because breathing is free. Isn't that great? So the only thing you have to do once you learn the techniques is for them to help your body. You actually have to do them. So I'm going to keep it as simple as possible so you remember what to do. So that's the main thing. I try to keep it as simple as possible, not too technical. Otherwise you won't do it because it's just too much of a hassle. And then take your right hand and just make a little cup with it. Like you're holding a little bit of water. And then you're just going to pat up the inside of the left arm. Yep. And then down the outside of the left arm. So you're kind of like waking up your body. Saying, oh, okay, Tommy, we're going to use you now, body, so wake up. So it's just a little cupping action. And it's just waking up the energy on that left arm. So you go up the inside and then down. Because there's over 80 energy points in your mouth. So what you're going to do, yes, you're so good. Get really loud if you want. That's it. Open it up. Yeah, there you go. And tap, tap, tap. Go one more louder. Any sound you want. There you go. Wake it up. That's good. And now, reach your arms up. And just stretch them out. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So you're next to a neighbor. Just turn to the person next to you and say, I think you're great. I think you're great. And try to find yourself sitting tall, because that's going to be important too when you're drumming, that you keep your posture, because when you start to slunge, so slunge down like you're getting really tired. Now try to take a big belly breath in. It's really hard. You can't do it so well, okay? So it's going to be important to notice your posture while you're drumming, while you're breathing, and even throughout the day when you're getting tired. If you change how the body is sitting, you start to wake up more. So taking your shoulders back, and here's another good one. So if you're feeling a little bit bummed out, take your shoulders back, okay? And now put a big goofy grin on your face. Does anybody have any questions? When you inhale, belly moves out. Yep, and when you exhale, navel moves back. Good. Inhale, belly moves up. Exhale, navel draws back. All right, so go ahead and take a deep breath in. And then exhale nice and slow. Okay, just stop for a second before we go again. Did you find it hard to enter your belly? You can do that. And as you inhale, feel the belly rise and move away from the spine. And then as you exhale again, navel goes back towards the spine. So when you inhale this time, I want you to count how long your breath is. So count if it's 4, whatever it is, find the number, how long you can inhale for, easily, without forcing. While you're doing this, remember to breathe. So it's inhaling and exhaling. Yeah. You guys love it. All right. Big circle just to get the shoulders to wake up a little bit. So anytime throughout the day when you feel some tension in your body, maybe it just needs to move. So you start to kind of ask your body, what would you like to do today? So body, what do you need? Do you want to go for a walk? Do you need to stretch? What's going on, body? What can we do for you? And now circle the other way. Because your body. And then bring your right elbow under your left as best you can. Right elbow your left. There you go. And now lift your elbows. It'll get a little stretch right between your shoulder blades. Feel that? Yeah. Okay. So sometimes that space gets tight as well. So it's going to open up. Shake it up a little bit. There you go. Good. More work than that. All right. Then reach your right hand out. Now just spread your fingers as big as you can first. There you go. Now you can just do this. Inhale, do it again. Inhale up the sides. Inhale up the front. And there you go. One more. Inhale. Inhale. Inhale.
for this drum workshop. It is called Awakening a Spirit Through Sound and Vibration. I've been playing doo-doo drums and djembe drums. These are the djembe drums, okay, and frame drums. These are the doom-dooms. The doom-dooms come in three, which is the mother drum. This is the one that has the heartbeat. That's going to be your timekeeper as we're moving through our songs, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Want you guys to try it. If you can't sing and play at the same time, that's okay. Just play the drums. But the lyrics go. And so I want you guys to play very gentle. This is talking about as the spirit of the wind comes in, we are being guided here, right now, to make our shift, to make our changes of who we are. Okay? Our life cycle must change, like the wind. And so, starlight, children of the night, hush warriors as we journey through this life, with spiritual growth in its light. Everyone will make the shift tonight. Your energy flows. Awaken children of the night and shake the ship. What feels